Nas Claude, thank you for showing up. Hearts for you. C. Inquiry of the date of onset. To know whether the disease is new or chronic is very helpful to differentiate excess syndrome and deficiency syndrome. So find out how long the problem persists, like just when you contact the doctor. How long has the problem persisted? Excuse my humanity. Um, then D is inquiry of possible factors concerning the cause of disease, which is of great help to differentiate external extraction and internal injury. So figure out, ask your patient, what's up, Mark C? Some good information, some good information um, regarding how they came up or what their own theory is about why they have this problem. Did they drink something? Did they eat something? Did they fall over? Did something hit them? Whatever it was, to see. Inquiry of the development, which is E, inquiry of the development of the disease and curative effect of the treatments that have been taken. To know the state of the disease in all around way and to learn the lessons of the past treatments could make far more accurate syndrome differentiation. So ask the patient about what they've tried to do to solve their problem on their own if they have, and what medicines they may be taking, whether they were given those medicines for that specific problem or if they are taking other kinds of medicines for other problems. And theretofore, that could be something that's going on that's wrong. Anyway, so F, inquiry of the living conditions, character, hobby, habits, and case histories likely to involve the disease, etc. Then there's going to be specific inquiries, inquiry of fever and cold, time of fever. Fever at unfixed times usually indicates exogenous febrile disease. Fever in the morning usually due to Qi deficiency. Fever in the afternoon seen in damp, warm disease, yin deficiency, or bone steaming due to consumptive disease. Late afternoon tidal fever indicates interior syndrome pertaining to yang ming disease, and fever with temperature increasing in the evening due to blood deficiency or due to yin deficiency or due to retention of food. All right, that has been a lot to say. Well, that was a lot of reading for a day. So we could end it up with some French, with some Français. Shall we do a little French Français? I don't know. We might. For the point. We might be receiving the point of